Hi everyone, how are you doing today? Today I want to show you how to make the coffee cocktail. And regardless of the name, there is no coffee involved. I've seen this recipe quite some time ago on Steve the Bartender channel, and I prepared few of these drinks last winter and I definitely liked it. The drink today is in the Flips family because it includes a whole egg. The first time I've heard about the Flips family, I was definitely skeptical since putting a whole egg in a cocktail didn't sound logical to me. But I have to admit that it opened a completely new world out there, pending to be explored, and especially in the colder period of the year is definitely a good option. So let's not waste more time and go to the drink. We take our shaker. And the first thing I will do is I'm gonna crack the egg into the shaker, so in case the egg is spoiled or there is any issue, I don't waste the alcohol. Okay, we're gonna discard this. And to the egg we're gonna add 30 ml or 1 ounce of brandy or cognac. I'm using Torres 10. It's a Spanish brandy which is less spicy, and I think for brandy Alexanders or this type of drink, the additional sweetness it gives plays really well. So 30 ml or 1 ounce. Okay. Then we're gonna add 2 ounces of Towny Port. Towny Port is a fortified wine from the Porto area in Portugal. So 2 ounces. And half an ounce or 15 ml of simple syrup. Okay, first we're going to do a dry shake without the ice, and keep the shaker strong because it tends to expand and try to pop up. Okay, I got a little bit of pressure trying to go out and some of the liquid, and now we add ice. And we're gonna do a wet shake. And the shaker. Shake again. Okay. It's really frosty. Okay. Have some vacuum. There we go. So we take our glass of choice and we're gonna double strain in case some of the ice broke. And for decoration, we're gonna grate some fresh nutmeg on top. Okay, so let's give it a try. First thing that strikes, or I like at least, is the really chocolate or coffee with milk appeal of the drink. It tastes really like nutmeg now. It's really smooth and velvety and quite sweet. For me the dominant notes are the ones from the wine, and then slightly afterwards the floral notes from the brandy. So I really love that drink. I hope you're gonna give it a try and like it as well. Please subscribe and see you next time. Bye bye everyone.